Hi everyone, this is Lisa and I just want to share a really quick project with you. This project came about just yesterday. I was sitting here in the process of, paying bills and everything, and I was keeping everything in my planner, and I just noticed that it was just getting really thick, and so I wanted an alternative place to just keep all the monthly bills in order. So as I was looking online for any ideas, I came across, I'm not sure if it was an Etsy seller or a Zibbet seller, but she had something similar to this. Hers was all black and white, and then I believe the cover was like cardstock or something. I wanted a little bit of color to mine, so I figured, wow, I can probably just make my own. So I got on my laptop and played with Microsoft Word and figured it out, and so this is how this came about. And so this here, I just printed it off online, and I just figure I color coordinate everything in my planner, and I use the color green for money, so I just went with the green. And then I put this on dimensionals just in case I want to add some more details, whether it's some little flowers or something. So this is basic gray paper that I used, and so then this is what I came up with. So in Microsoft Word, I just added these here to the corners, and then I printed out the sheet and I cut it right down the center. And then I created this part here, cut them down to fit, and then just created a pocket with it. And this is where I could put the bill in and then kind of write down what bills they are if I have automatic drafts coming through, just some notes. And then over here I have the month, and I've started in October because, again, this kind of just came to me as I wanted to move everything out of the planner. And so, again, this is a pocket as well. And when I was searching for printable calendars, I came across these really cute ones, and I just love them. So they're by Hello Cuteness, and so I just sized them to fit my pocket. And so this one, of course, is Halloween theme, and I just thought that was adorable. So I just kind of did that for every month. So I did it from October to October of next year. And so as you can see, this one is so cute as well. So I just like the fact that I could stick my bill in, switch it on over to the other side, write down the date that I paid it, and be done. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.